how to make roles in Discord. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can make roles in Discord, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to assign roles to people and candidates on your Discord server, it's actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is open the Discord application here, and once you launch the Discord app, you want to simply go to your server settings by simply tapping the three dots option from the very top here. And once you tap the three dots option, over here you'll find the option called settings. So you want to go to your server settings. So when you go to your server settings here, if you scroll down at the bottom of user management, you'll find an option that says roles. So when you tap the roles option, you should be able to see the people with the current roles. So if you want to add another role to someone, you can tap the plus icon from the top right, simply give the role a name, the role color, and whatever else, tap on create, and that particular person will have access to those roles. This way you should be able to make roles in Discord. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.